What's going on, high school students? Hey, I'm going to do this quick tutorial about note flights in preparation for the exam. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to get this party started. So definitely open up Noteflight. So tomorrow for the exam, this will help you with a few shortcuts to make sure that you get it completed in time. So first thing I want you to do is, like I said, make sure you hit delete changes so you can start a new score. All right, you're gonna go and remove keyboard. All right, see what I did? I clicked on keyboard. All right, then I'm going to click whatever title is, and this is Note Flight Tutorial. All right, and you're gonna put your name. All right, everybody should definitely know how to do this part. No problem. Then I'm going to highlight the bass clef. Booyah. Now, if I want it to be, now let me make sure when I click it, you have these clicked on the side. All right. Now, so what I want to do is I want to be in the key of D flat. So I am going to highlight all of it and then highlight the whole thing. And then I'm going to go to D flat. Boom. All right. Now I am in the key of D flat. All right. So what I simply did was do that again, Milt. All right. So what I simply did was I highlight all of it. Go up to flats, click D flat, boom. Okay. Now let's say, for example, I want to start entering notes. Again, the brackets that are to the left and right of the letter. All right. So what I want to do is I want to hit C. All right. G. And I want that as the eighth note. Because I'm hitting the left and right. All right. So what I'm simply doing is I am just now. Let's say, for example, I want to delete this. I just highlight it. Now, remember, for text, only thing I need to hit for text. All right. And I am putting andante. Now, what I want to do is I want to slur all of the 16 notes. What I want to do is highlight. Anytime you want to slur, all right, I highlight. All right, and hit the letter S. All right, that's how I highlight it. Now, let's say I want to bring that up a little higher. All I'm doing is dragging it, okay? That makes it look good, okay? So that's how I do that. Now, remember, for lyrics, let's say, for example, in the fourth measure, I want, all right? All right, so now what I want to do is, second, I hit Control L. All right, this is a great day. So now I want a half note. All right, remember, the only thing I gotta do is hit the period, and that makes it a dotted half note. All right, so the only thing I'm doing, I'm hitting the space bar, okay? Now, let's say, for example, I want to make this one a triplet. So the only thing I gotta do, the number 3. All right, remember, that's how I do triplets. All right. And now, instead of making that half note, I hit 3. That's how I make the long triplet. Okay. Okay. So now, text short. Strawberry. All right. All right. So again, only thing I'm doing is I want to show you all how to do this. Okay. So again, in this video, make sure if there's any questions, you send me an email. But I'm going to send this out to you. Oh, before I go, if you want to, let's say you only want 2 measures per line. So what I simply do is highlight 2 measures, hit enter. All right, now I got 2 measures per line. Now let's say, for example, I want to go back. All right, Control Z. All right, now let's say I want to add some measures. Of course, hit the plus sign, but right beside measure. Now let's say, for example, the example tomorrow is only 8 measures. So what I want to do is I want to come over here and then come to layout, create system. All right, that's how I have 4 measures. Now what I simply do is I highlight the next 4 measures, hit enter. All right, that gives me 4 measures. Now I just delete these 2. All right. So to create a system, what I do is go over here to layout and create system. All right. That makes each one of these are called a system. All right. So each one of those are systems. Okay. All right. So if there's any questions, let me know. But again, I want to send this short video. I know you all are going to do well.